Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to cancel Trim Premium. Are you thinking about canceling Trim Premium? No problem. Here's a quick walkthrough so you can manage your subscription with ease. First, open the Trim app and log into your account. From the home screen, you're going to tap the menu icon usually found in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Account Settings. In the settings menu, you're going to tap subscriptions or manage plan. Here you'll see your current Trim Premium status along with billing details. Go ahead and tap on cancel premium or end subscription. Trim may ask you for a quick reason why you're canceling. Just pick one and confirm your choice. Once confirmed, you'll still have access to premium features until the end of your current billing cycle. After that, your account will switch back to the free version of Trim. You'll get an email confirmation as well, so check your box to verify that the cancellation went through. If you ever change your mind, you can always resubscribe directly from the app. And that's it. Canceling Trim Premium is simple and hassle-free. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to check your credit score using Trim, so be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay financially sharp. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.